will not hear what I say. She want to change a different man every day. She is good looking and very fat, but I not let she frighten me with that. These are the things that wreck a man's life. Anytime you tie down with a fat wife. So me no want no big fat wife. For most of the time these things stir up strife. For every time me lie down in the bed, me say she cover me up and leave out me head. Some man will rather if you shoot him than tell him that he wasn't happy and slim. Even though this story may be true, what John said that man, he will kill you. He will pick up fight with you every day. But take my advice, I've nothing to say. What I want you man to understand, you all are entitled to 7 women. But me no want no big fat wife. For most of the time these things stir up strife. For every time me lie down in the bed, me says they cover me up and leave out me head. If you look in the book of old, you see that man of old was wise and not fools. They will have 6 fat and 1 slim wife, but the slim one knows all about his life. Well, I don't blame those wise men at all, for a slim woman is much more easy to fall. So me no want no big fat wife, but most of the time these things stir up strife. For every time me lie down in the bed, me says they cover me up and leave out me head. No, 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 me no want no big fat wife. For most of the time these things stir up strife. For every time me lie down in the bed, me says they cover me up and leave out me head. No, 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 me no want no big fat wife. For most of the time these things stir up strife. For every time me lie down in the bed, she cover me up and leave out me head. No me no what, no big fat wife. For most of the time this thing stir up strife. For every time me lie down in the bed, she cover me up and leave out me head. No me no what, no big fat wife. No, no one no fat wife. No, 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 no. No me no want no big wife. Yeah, yeah. No one no fat wife. Yeah.